Today we're gonna go to the Tetra Mountains and we're gonna fly there, so let's go. Instead of 2 hours driving, I'm 2 hours walking for a drone spot, but you got this. Pretty sick, no? Okay, does this look like an FPV drone? No, right? Yeah. Awesome flight in the mountains, but as you can see, no more drone. I got behind this stone and I think it took a nosedive right in the water. I had to sit out of the sight so people cannot see because it was not allowed. But I got a DVR, so that's what you're gonna see now.